Okay, what we have for you here today is what I believe to be a 1960s General Electric air conditioner. It's pretty old, 2-speed. Let's see if I can, there you go. It's a 5,000 BTU. Sorry for the horrible camera work, but I don't know if you can see up in there. Spine fins there. You got a big metal 3-bladed fan in the back. So I picked this up in a GE carry cool from someone who was gonna scrap them. Carry cool works. This one I think is low on refrigerant, but we're gonna check it out. See how it does, run it for a while. Here's the inside of this one. It's 5,000 BTU. Let's turn it on once that plane passes by. Yeah, screw it, we'll turn it on now. Normal cool. High cool. I think it was sitting outside for a couple months. I was driving down the highway and I saw a pile of air conditioners in someone's yard, and this one was facing the other way. I saw the rear and I'm like, oh, that looks like an old General Electric. So I went over there and the guy was actually in his yard, and I asked him about him. The porta cool was there too. The rest of them were modern units, but the porta cool was there too. And I asked what he was doing with them. He said he was going to scrap them. I told him I'd beat the scrap value by a couple bucks, and I got this unit and that carry cool. That carry cool will be the next video. That one works good because I tested it already, and I ran this one for a couple minutes and didn't really get cold, but we'll see how it does. Feels to be getting somewhat cool. It's in the 90s outside right now, so I'm looking for anything like a 30-degree Delta T would be nice. So if I got 60 degrees pumping out of this on a 90-degree day, I'd be happy. Feels like it's putting out about 70 right now. I gotta grab a thermometer.